This was the Conwy Valley last year. Treforw has been stricken by 3 flash floods in as many years, bringing with them misery, sewage, housing blight and rocketing insurance premiums.
Well, Melvin, this is your home today, but when the floods hit,
yes.
Just how high does the water get?
It reaches about this height here.
Up to that line there?
Up the line there.
And so this entire road was flooded, all the houses down in that direction?
All the houses up to the corner there.
Out the back, what's your garden now? It's just a lake?
It is a lake, yes.
How frightening an experience is that when it happens to your home?
It's just horrendous.
All your valuables in the house then, what happened to them?
We lost them completely. We couldn't save nothing because we didn't think we were going to flood.
Just how high was the water level here then?
Up to this bar, going across here.
To the back of there, so well above our heads, some 8 to 9 foot up.
Yes.
How far did the water stretch out?
You couldn't even see any of them cobs, them defences there. It was just a complete lake right across the valley.
So it affected
like
people presumably living all through the valley?
All through the valley over there. Affects us all, and until it happens here you don't realise how bad it is and stressful.